YouTube. This is the Meydenbauer payphone at the booth by the former REI boathouse in Bellevue at 2 99th Avenue Northeast. This booth is old because you can tell from the graffiti. That phone number, by the way, is Glencourt 55511. Apparently it's for the police. There's an old Bell system booth number for the Airlight booth. There's the, if it can focus, Pacific Northwest Bell booth notice. Let's try and dial a number. Alright. I don't know if you can tell, but, oh, this phone works too. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but that number is 646-9334, area code 425. Let me just put it in. I'm going to use the MCI number service.
Thank you for calling MCI. Our system indicates you are calling from 425-646-9934. If this is the number you are calling about, press 1.
So, yeah, 9934. This phone works. Even the light works too, even though it's very dirty. Anyway, peace out, YouTube. Have fun.